Are you ready for the biggest financial revolution of your life? The game has changed, and anyone still playing by the old rules is going to lose it all. Artificial intelligence is creating millionaires, while many are still struggling to pay their bills. If you want to thrive in 2025, you need to understand the new rules. Stick with me, because in this video I'll walk you through exactly how to build wealth using AI, smart investments, and a crisis-proof mindset. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a wake-up call. Now, Step 1, active versus passive income. How to use AI to automate your business. The foundation of wealth starts with a simple truth. If you're trading time for money, you'll never scale your income. You need passive income. But first, let's break it down. Active income is what you earn by working, salary, overtime, freelance gigs. Passive income is money that comes in whether you're there or not. Rent, royalties, profits from an automated business. Most people spend their whole lives focused on active income. They work hard, get burnout, and never escape the scarcity cycle. Passive income is what brings freedom. It lets you earn while you sleep, travel, or focus on what really matters. And here's where AI changes everything. With tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and automation platforms like Zapier or Make.com, you can build businesses that run themselves. Picture this: an online store that sells 24/7 with AI-generated ads, customer service handled by chatbots, and automated logistics. You're literally building a system that works for you. No staff, no physical infrastructure. Real-world example: Pedro, 32, launched a dropshipping site using AI to write product descriptions, create images, and run marketing campaigns. He started with 1,500 Brazilian reals, and within 6 months was making 12,000 Brazilian reals per month, with no team. He still keeps his day job, but now half his income comes from his automated store. And it's likely that very soon, this business will easily outpace his fixed salary. Bottom line: if you want to build wealth in 2025, start today by turning your active income into passive income with the help of AI. Those who master this now will be years ahead of the average person in the near future. Step 2, the 3 best global investments for 2025. You won't get rich just by saving money. You need to put your money to work. In 2025, the top 3 pillars are thematic ETFs. These are stock market funds that invest in future-focused trends like AI, clean energy, and cybersecurity. They give you exposure to high-growth sectors without having to pick individual stocks, which lowers your risk. Example: the $BOTZ ETF, focused on robotics and automation, grew over 35% in the past 12 months, all with passive management and minimal fees. Perfect for those seeking returns without the hassle. Select cryptocurrencies. We're not talking about just any meme coin. In 2025, assets with real-world use cases and growing adoption, like Ethereum, Solana, or AI tokens like Fetch.ai, could soar. Crypto investing requires research and a clear strategy, but the right projects with strong fundamentals tend to outperform. You need to watch the market and understand the cycles, knowing when to get in and when to cash out. Fun fact: 8 out of the 10 top-performing cryptocurrencies in 2024 were tied to AI or Web3 infrastructure. That clearly shows where institutional money is flowing. Tokenized real estate. Imagine owning a piece of property in Dubai for just $50. Tokenization makes that possible, opening up real estate investment to everyone. You become a shareholder in a physical asset with proportional income, increased liquidity, and a low entry barrier. No paperwork, no notary, and payments are made automatically via blockchain. Tip: platforms like Realty and Lofty already offer this, paying out passive income in US dollars. It's a smart way to dollarize your income and protect yourself from local inflation. Bottom line: smart diversification is the name of the game. Invest where the world is heading, not where it's been. The new wave of millionaires isn't betting on the past. They're building the future. Step 3, crisis-proof mindset. How to protect your money from inflation and recession. Wealth isn't just about growing your money. It's about protecting it too. In 2025, we're still feeling the ripple effects of economic crises, persistent inflation, and political instability. The crisis-proof mindset is preserve, diversify, adapt. You need to be ready for both good and bad times. That means having liquidity, stable assets, and emotional control. Shielding your money is just as important as growing it. 3 golden rules. Keep an emergency fund in digital dollars, e.g. USDC DAI. It protects your purchasing power. Don't put all your investments in one country or one type of asset. Track economic cycles with calm and emotional intelligence. Crashes come and go. People who panic sell at the bottom miss out. Those who understand the game use dips to buy great assets at a discount. Don't act based on headlines. Act based on strategy. Common mistake. In 2022, many people sold everything out of fear. Those who held on to Bitcoin, for instance, watched it nearly triple afterward. Emotional investors buy high and sell low. Rational investors do the opposite and win in the medium and long run. Bottom line, true wealth is emotional. Those who stay calm in chaos are the ones who profit when the crowd panics. And that's one of the most valuable skills you can have in 2025. Step 4. AI tools that generate passive income. The new financial elite is using AI as a lever. Here's how you can do the same. Top platforms. ChatGPT to write ebooks, copy, and online courses. Midjourney/Leonardo AI for digital art, book covers, and NFTs. Trading bots like 3 Commas or Pionex, which automate crypto trading. With these tools, you can turn your skills and creativity into sellable digital products. No team, no inventory, and scalable profits. How to build an autonomous business with AI. Automated dropshipping. AI writes product descriptions, creates ads, and chats with customers. Digital content. AI writes ebooks or scripts for YouTube or podcasts, which you can sell on platforms like Hotmart. 24/7 customer support. Use tools like ManyChat, Crisp, or Intercom to automatically handle inquiries. These business models run on autopilot. You set them up once and maintenance is minimal, ideal for anyone seeking freedom. Real case. Anna, 41, launched an online store selling home decor. All content is generated by AI. Today, she earns 18,000 Brazilian reals per month, working just 3 hours a week. She started with zero tech knowledge, learned from free videos, and now lives fully off digital income. Bottom line, AI is your new tireless, free employee. Use it before everyone else does. The sooner you master these tools, the bigger your competitive edge. Step 5, asset allocation strategies for 2025. Now that you know where to invest, it's time to learn how much to invest in each asset. Without a smart allocation, even the best investments can lead to losses. Suggested allocation for beginners. 40% in thematic ETFs, diversification plus safety. 25% in cryptocurrencies, high growth potential. 15% in tokenized real estate. 10% in digital gold or stablecoins. 10% in cash for opportunities and emergencies. This structure protects you from major market swings while keeping a solid foundation. You stay positioned for growth without putting it all on the line. How to rebalance. Review your portfolio every 3 months. If crypto has grown too much and now makes up over 40%, move some into more stable assets. This prevents your risk exposure from getting out of control. It also forces you to lock in profits regularly and stay emotionally balanced. Rebalancing is a secret to preserving gains and protecting your capital. It acts as a brake on greed and a shield during downturns. Bottom line, sustainable wealth comes from discipline, not from betting big. Those who master risk management grow steadily, without relying on luck. Step 6, the future of work. How to position yourself. Will AI eliminate jobs? Yes, but it will also create new careers for those who are ready. We're entering a new era of work. Fewer repetitive tasks, more critical thinking and tech skills. Those who resist change will become obsolete. Those who learn to use AI will be in high demand. Jobs on the way out, basic customer service, telemarketing, repetitive tasks. Roles that can be replaced by bots, scripts, or AI assistants. Jobs on the rise, prompt engineer, people who know how to communicate with AI, data analyst, to interpret information generated by systems. Digital asset manager, managing crypto portfolios, NFTs, metaverse properties. These roles are more strategic than operational. They have a higher barrier to entry, which also means better pay and more opportunities. Practical tip: learn how to use tools like Notion AI, Canva AI, Power BI, and other AI-driven creation platforms. Invest in short courses, boot camps, and daily practice. In less than 90 days, you can become much more competitive in the job market. Bottom line, don't compete with AI. Work with it. That's the key to thriving professionally in 2025 and beyond. Step 7. How to use AI to spot investment opportunities. You can use AI to spot trends before the majority catches on. Instead of following influencers or hype, make data-driven decisions. Useful tools: Google Trends plus ChatGPT. Ask which assets are gaining attention. Crypto sentiment analysis. Platforms like Sentiment, Lunar Crush, and Into the Block track market sentiment. Smart bots. Set them up to trade based on algorithms, buying and selling automatically. Social media behavior analysis powered by AI can reveal what's gaining momentum before it hits mainstream news. It's like having a radar that detects early market moves. Example: Joao used an AI-powered bot to scan news and social media. He spotted a trend in AI tokens before it went public, bought early, made a 460% profit in just 3 weeks. Now, he applies the same model in different niches, and the bots do most of the work. Bottom line, today, whoever has the best information wins, and AI delivers that in real time. It's not magic, it's science applied to smart investing. Step 8. Exit strategies: when and how to lock in profits. Getting in at the right time matters, but knowing when to get out is what separates millionaires from the rest. A lot of people pick the right asset and still lose money because they don't know when to sell. Exit warning signs: asset jumps over 200% in just a few weeks. Search volume explodes, FOMO. Influencers won't stop talking about it. When the hype takes over, it's usually close to the top. You should sell while everyone's still excited, not after crash. Take profit techniques. Sell a portion every time the asset rises by 30%. Use auto sell orders on platforms like Binance or eToro. Set realistic profit targets before you invest. Don't wait for a forever up scenario. It doesn't exist. Have a clear plan and stick to it. Remember, emotion kills profits. Investing isn't about hope, it's about strategy. Bottom line, have an exit plan before you invest. Those who act on emotion always lose. The best investors make money when they buy, but they're remembered for how they sell. Bottom line, have an exit plan before you invest. Those who act on emotion always lose. The best investors make money when they buy, but they're remembered for how they sell. The formula is clear: passive income plus smart investing plus crisis-proof mindset plus AI as your ally. Start now, even with little. What matters is taking the first step. If you're ready to transform your financial life, like this video, comment, "I want to grow with AI" below, and share it with someone stuck in place. Together, we're building a new generation of conscious millionaires. Let's do this. The future is already here.